Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of AI Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your WordTune account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your WordTune's account, firstly go ahead and open up your WordTune application. The official page of WordTune application will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top left corner of the screen and tap on Login. On the next page, you can create your WordTune account using your Google account, Apple account, or with your email as well. Here, I'm going to choose Continue with Email. Enter your email address, create a password for your account, create a name for your account, and tick mark on a box to verify that you are not a robot, then click on Sign Up. This is how you can create an account on WordTune quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.